After a 15-year wait, Samus Aran is back in Metroid Prime 4 Beyond, and fans are buzzing. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Retro Studios delivers classic first-person exploration with all the familiar thrills, like scanning alien worlds, blasting space pirates, and upgrading Samus's arsenal. But not everything hits the mark. Gameplay is where this game shines. Controls feel fluid and responsive, letting players aim, scan, and make their way through alien landscapes. The new psychic powers adds a clever twist, letting Samus slow time, manipulate objects, and solve puzzles in creative ways. Returning beams like ice, fire, and electric feel satisfying, while exploration and backtracking reward players with upgrades and hidden secrets. But not all's perfect. The new motorbike, Viola, is a fun concept that falls flat in execution. Using it to smash green energy crystals in Soul Valley quickly becomes tiresome, and the desert region itself feels bland compared to other areas. Story-wise, Prime 4 struggles with dialogues. Federation characters can feel cringy or unnecessary, although key figures like Silex and the Lamorn species are on point. Graphics are gorgeous, even on the original Switch, with detailed environments, enemy designs, and Samus's updated suit. Bolt Forge and Ice Belt look stunning, although some regions feel too familiar to veterans. The soundtrack stays true to the series, mixing electronic sci-fi themes with orchestral flair. All in all, Metroid Prime 4 Beyond is a solid return for fans craving classic Prime action. It's fun, challenging, and visually impressive, although few design choices and dialogue missteps prevent it from reaching legendary status. Still, it's worth the ride if you're a fan. Have you played it? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Metroid Prime 4 Beyond is still launching in 2025, despite delay rumors swirling. Is Samus Aran ready to blast onto Switch 2? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this Metroid update. Nintendo shut down delay speculation, confirming Metroid Prime 4 Beyond hits this year, as stated in a Fan Expo Canada press release. With a playable demo alongside Hades 2 and Borderlands 4, is this the comeback fans have waited for since 2017? Keep watching. Announced in 2017, Metroid Prime 4 hit a snag when Nintendo rebooted development in 2019 for not meeting their standards. After a 2023 remaster of Metroid Prime 1 and Metroid Dread's success, last year's gameplay trailer confirmed a 2025 release, despite YouTuber Kiwi Talks claiming a Switch 2 launch delay and an unfinished game. Nintendo's sticking to 2025. Nintendo's March Switch 2 blowout reaffirmed the 2025 window, and a recent South Korean rating submission hints at a firm release date soon. At Fan Expo Canada, attendees can play Metroid Prime 4 with Eurogamer's Ed Nightingale praising its varied control capabilities on Switch 2. Fans are hyped, but some worry a 2026 push could still happen. Metroid Prime 4 Beyond is a big deal for Samus fans, promising next-gen action on Switch 2. Nintendo's confidence in the 2025 launch, despite rumors, shows their commitment to quality. With playable demos and ratings in progress, could this be the series' biggest moment yet? Get ready for a galactic adventure. Metroid Prime 4 Beyond is coming this year. Fingers crossed. Check it out at Fan Expo Canada or wait for that release date to drop. Are you pumped for Samus's return or skeptical about some delays? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Metroid Prime 4's 2025 launch. Are you hyped for Switch 2 gameplay or bracing for a delay twist? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates. You're craving the thrill of battles, unforgettable combos, and iconic characters. 2025 is delivering some of the best fighting games yet. Hey GadInsiders, whether you're a veteran fighter or a newcomer, these top 5 fighters will keep your thumbs busy and your adrenaline off the charts. With the first one being Street Fighter 6. Yes, Capcom's legendary series continuing with Street Fighter 6 flexes game-changing new mechanics, with guest stars like Terry Bogard and Mai Shiranui joining the fight for the first time time ever, this game is a knockout for both casual and competitive players. It's available on PS4 and 5, Xbox, and PC. Second is Tekken 8, which storms into 2025 with a brand new heat system, making every match hotter than ever. Follow the epic family feud between Kazuya and Jin, customize your fighters like never before, and be ready to encounter cool guest stars like Clive from Final Fantasy XVI. It's available on Xbox, PC, and PS5 only. Then, the Mortal Kombat reboot brings brutal combat and jaw-dropping fatalities to new generation. Featuring guest fighters from popular culture and a gripping story mode, Mortal Kombat 1 delivers action that's as fast and furious as ever. Perfect for players who love their battles fierce and flashy. It's available on Xbox, PC, PS4, and 5. After a 26-year wait, Fatal Fury: City of Wolves returns with a fresh comic book style and the innovative REV system, challenging players to balance power and risk. Plus, quirky guest characters like Swedish DJ Salvatore Ganacci add a surprising twist to this exciting revival. It's available on PS5, Xbox Series, and PC. And how can we leave King of Fighters 15 out of the list? It offers the strategic thrill of 3 versus 3 team battles, where choosing your fighters and their order can turn the tide of any match. It's a must-play for those who want deep tactical combat and a rich cast of fighters. With these titles, 2025 is shaping up to be a golden year for fighting game fans. So pick your fighter, master your moves, and get ready to dominate the arena like never before. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Gamescom 2025 has officially begun, and this year's event is full of exciting news. From blockbuster trailers to hardware unveilings, the gaming world is buzzing, and we're only just getting started. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Let's take a quick dive into 5 of the biggest reveals so far that have lit up the event. Number 1 is Xbox handhelds. After years of anticipation, Microsoft has officially announced release dates for its first Xbox handhelds. The Rogue Xbox Ally and Rogue Xbox Ally X are coming on October 16th. The higher-end Ally X rocks a Ryzen A1Z2 Extreme chip, 24GB RAM, and 1TB storage, while the base model still impresses with a Ryzen Z2A and 16GB RAM. We're so excited for this one. Next is LEGO Batman Returns. TT Games is bringing back LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. The reveal trailer wowed fans by blending comic book lore with references to the Nolan films, Arkham games, and even the Batman. This new open-world Gotham looks darker, more detailed, and more ambitious than ever. Oh, and Matt Berry as Bane? Instant gold. On number 3, we have Hollow Knight Silksong. It's not a drill. Team Cherry finally gave us a solid launch date for Hollow Knight Silksong, which is September 4, 2025. After years of teases and delays, it's finally here. A surprise stream after opening night live showcased new mechanics, a massive world, and a crafting system, with post-launch content already in the works. It's already hitting all major platforms, including the Nintendo Switch 2. On 4, Sony's InZone lineup. Sony isn't just focused on PlayStations, it's expanding its InZone gaming gear lineup as well. The new H9 II headset now comes with a detachable mic and lighter build. There's also a sleek KBD H75 mechanical keyboard, a new gaming mouse, and new mouse pads. FPS fans should check out the new InZone A9 earbuds too. Sony's making sure we change our whole gaming setup. Now let's check out Call of Duty Black Ops 7, which made a dramatic entrance with a trailer that confirms a setting in 2035, picking up after the events of Black Ops 2. This 4-player game has wild global missions and a new twist. The End Game, an open-world finale that changes based on how you played. With big reveals from all corners of the gaming world and more updates still to come, Gamescom's surely been a great event for gamers. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.